Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with all of my videos. Today, I honestly was just going to do a quick makeup tutorial, or not even tutorial. I was just going to do a quick face, but I was like, I can probably film this. This has been my go-to face, and these are the products. I know, I can hold them all in one hand. If you watch me here on my channel, you know, this is like quite a little bit. These are the game changers here, but ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody had time in 2020. Nobody got time in 2021. So basically, I am getting ready to film a TikTok video and you guys are going to see my process. So first things first, my tried and true e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I have two, and one of them is darker, so I feel like the darker one usually kind of blends in well with my overall face, but just minimal products. I just go in under. Basically, I'm just doing this to like eliminate any redness around my face, around my nose. So we do that. And then sometimes I go in with the sponge, sometimes I go in with my fingers. And then honestly, I've been liking with the brush, especially with like this product. Just evening everything out. And PS, that concealer is only $6. Because if you guys saw my latest video, what is it? The e.l.f. Camo CC cream, so foundation they came out with. I think once I find my right color, that can probably be a good go-to. But honestly, just this concealer has been my BFF. For like, I just need like a simple, I should have recorded my face like before this, but like I just need a simple face, something quick and easy. And look at how that just perked me up underneath the eyes and eliminated that redness. And this is like straight out the shower redness, so we're like extra, I don't want to say moist, but you know, the warm water, because I don't know how people do cold showers. Oof, girl, right there. Bam, there we go. The next thing, I'm just going in with my NYX HD finishing powder. And I'm just going to set a little bit on my brows. That underneath the eyes. Just so we don't crease. You can do a little around the face, but I don't really need it. I have dry skin, so it's good. But yeah, that's it. That's it for the face pretty much. If you have time, you can go in with a, whatchamacallit, a little contour stick maybe, but I haven't been doing it. Next, you already know, Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil, just to get these brows together. Oh, actually, I am missing one product, but I don't always use it, don't always need it, but I feel like it does make a difference longevity wise. Maybe I'll grab it just so you guys can see. But it is my Essence brow mascara. Look at that brow. This brow already looking better than this brow, girl. This one, in case you guys are curious, for me is in the shade medium brown, so this one goes really well with my brows. Sorry if you can hear Frankie. He got headphones for Call of Duty and he talks so loud. I'm like, bro. Okay, next brow. That's how quick the brows were. Honestly, this is probably the thing that takes the longest. And with this pencil though, it's not even that long. Just because it's like, I just need a good arch. Something to put me together. I don't really... Dude, I have been loving this mirror, by the way. For those of you who think you don't need like a handheld mirror, it makes a nice little difference when doing your makeup, especially if I'm doing it on camera, but even, you know, if you don't have a standing mirror. I've been loving this. This is from Viva Cosmetics. They sent it to me. I was like, oh my gosh. I would have never thought to buy that. It's so cute. I want to be like, it is a MIJA with 5 or less products. That's the brows. Do I want to grab... Maybe I'll grab it at the end. My brow pencil. I'll do it when I like, whatchamacallit. I keep saying whatchamacallit. I'll do it when I blow dry my hair. I'll show you guys how I just quickly set the brows. But, oh man, we're almost done. Okay. Next is mascara. If you want, no, I don't need to do it. Mascara. So Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Like, there's definitely some things I can do to enhance. And do some other, like, sometimes I'll go in with bronzer and just to put into my, like, eye socket. Because you know I love my definition. I love a simple look, but that definition though. Maybe we'll do this look with an upgrade. But yes, I love this mascara. If you guys saw also my last video, which I reviewed the new e.l.f. Lash It Loud mascara. It wasn't my favorite. Like I said, we all have different personal preferences, but this one coat is my personal preference. A length. I think a length is my thing for sure. And this one, Essence, I think this is like less than $5 too. They have a waterproof version. Mine isn't waterproof. I don't typically, like, look, come on. I don't typically do waterproof. I know people who have maybe like hard to curl lashes like to do waterproof, but it's just such a pain to take off. So I'm like, we're good. I think I'll probably use waterproof for my wedding day, if anything. Or if anything, I'm just not going to do my bottom lashes. Because I am going to be a chillona. Oh, hell yeah. Just thinking about it. Okay. I think we'll do bottom lashes. I think so. And honestly, when I'm doing this off camera, we're even quicker. I don't have to worry about y'all. When you have like a last minute like Zoom thing with like people you care about, you know? Not even like, no, not even with family. I don't do that with family. Sorry guys. You'll get to see me au naturel. But you know, like important Zoom things. This is a good go-to. Okay. All right, let's just do some lips. All right, some people might just be like, just slap on some gloss, just do a lipstick. I can't, sorry. My go-to combo here is ColourPop BFF3 lip liner. Sorry. I'm gonna do a quick face, but we're gonna make it look good. This just kind of like makes it look a little bit more put together. Now, if it wasn't for lipstick, I would have 2 less products. But I'm just being honest, this is what I do. So MAC Velvet Teddy, this combo right here is my favorite. And you can just leave it at that, but that's not me. That's not me. I need to mention. So we're going in with MAC Honey Love. And who's going to notice? Me. And probably anybody else who wears makeup. And just right in the center. Just add your little something, something. And that's it. We're ready. Looking a lot better than when we first hop on here. So what I'm going to do is blow dry my hair real quick and show you guys how much better I look in, like, well, you know, you guys are seeing the longer version. I'll be right back. Much better, right? This is just my quick go-to, feel good and fresh about yourself type of a makeup look. This is what I've been doing. Also, just wanted to mention the Essence Make Me Brow. This thing is like $3. So what I'll do, I like to kind of use this in combination with the Wet n Wild Retractable Brow Pencil, just because it kind of helps me not have as heavy of a hand with the Make Me Brow. So just clean that off, and this will kind of help my brows set, fill them in a little bit. So you can just go straight in with this, but you know, just a little bit added. Once again, definition with the brow pencil will look like kind of added to those sparse areas. But the secret to this, I feel like, especially if you're going to be out and about, this is what's going to make the difference in your brows lasting. Like this combo right here, this combo is less than $10, and this combo lasts. Like, I have used this throughout heavy duty activity days for hours, like 5+ hours. End of the day sweating, and my brows are still on. So if you want your brows to last, Wet n Wild and the Essence Make Me Brow. Essence Make Me Brow is essentially a dupe for, what is that? The Anastasia, is it Give Me Brow? Which is like almost 30 bucks, like $25+. Great, I love that product, it's amazing, but I don't got like $25+ to spend all the time. When you have this little gem right here, Essence Ulta Beauty, get it, you won't regret it. Mine is in the shade, in case you guys are curious, 02 Brownie Brows. It's the only thing, they don't have too many different shades, but this is what I use. So it's like little fibers to like fill in your brows and still kind of looking a little bit natural there. Last thing I'll do is just to add a little bit of a face mist, because we're looking good, but I do have dry skin. So I'll either use my Mario Badescu Rose Water or my Max Fix Plus. I'm lazy and this is what I have. So, and sometimes I do and sometimes I don't set it with Make It Setting Spray, Make It Last Setting Spray by Milani, and I don't have it right here, so we're probably not gonna do that. But this is it. This is my quick, this is my go-to face. This is what I've been doing when you see me on TikTok, when you see me probably with non-glam makeup. This is what I'm wearing. This is what I do. You know, you're like, wow, you're not even contouring and bronzing, which is like a big like, whoa, like I need to for me. No, I'm not. Like I'm fairly comfortable with these cheekbones. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Super quick, super easy for those of you who want to either just get a little fresh face, want something quick and easy on the go because you're just so freaking busy for whatever reason. Comment down below like what it is that you're so busy at doing. Are you, you know, running a side hustle? Are you a mom? Are you a student? Are you, you know, working like multiple jobs or something? Comment down below and let me know if you guys try something similar to this or what products you substitute. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with the rest of my videos. And you'll probably see this face in the next upcoming TikToks. Bye.